Good morning to all. So, assignment based on area of a triangle. Area of a triangle, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 4, 0, 0, 3 and 0, 0. Is answer, whether you get answer. Your answer 6 square unit. So, in this case, find the equation of a line. Next question, find the equation of a line joining 2 points. Joining 2 points 1, 2 and 3, 6. You have studied this in the coordinate geometry first year. Equation of a line joining 2 points is given by y minus y1 x1 y1 and x2 y2. Equation of a line joining 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x. You have studied in 2 points form. Equation of a line in 2 points form is given by y minus y1 is equal to swap y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus 1. That is the coordinate geometry. But here find the equation of a line joining 2 points 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinant. So, we have studied in the if 3 points are collinear, then area formed by these points is 0. If 3 points lie on a line, if 3 points lie on a line, then its area form is 0. So, if 3 points are collinear, its area is 0. We use letter AB 1, 2, BB 3, 6, 2 given point. Our aim is find the equation of line AB. Take a PXY on the line AB. So, we take the AB sub points 1, 2, B 3, 6. We take a point P, XY on. Here A, P, B lie on a line AB. So, A, P, B are collinear. Then its area is 0. Then its area is 3 points are collinear, then area is equal to 0. So, delta is equal to A 1, 2, X, Y 3, 6, 1, 1, 1. So, is equal to 0. 3 points are collinear, then A, P, B lie on a line collinear, then area is 0. So, we substitute area half into expanding along R1, 1 into positive 1 into determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing 1. Then we get a y1 6 1 minus 2 into, because sign is negative, deleting the row and column containing x1 3 1 plus 1 into sign is positive into xy 3 6 is equal to 0. That is cross multiplication. Y into 1 y minus 6 half into y minus 6 minus 2 into x minus 3 plus 6x minus 3y is equal to 0. That is cross multiplying by 2. Then result y minus 6 minus 2x minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 plus 6x minus 3y is equal to 0 into 2 0. Therefore, positive 6 and negative 6 cancel. Positive 6x minus 2x 4x negative 3y plus 1y negative 3 minus 1 negative 2y is equal to 0, which implies 4x is equal to 2y dividing by 2, y is equal to 2x. This is the equation, that is equation is 2x minus y is equal to 0 is the equation of the line joining 2 points 1 2 and 3 6 using determinant. Using determinants A, B are 2 points are given. We take a P xy is a point on the line AB. Then A, P, B lie on a line, they are collinear, then area is 0. Then using determinant form find the equation of the line joining 2 points. We do another problem. A 2 minus 6, B 5 4, C K 4 are 3 A, B, C are 3 vertices of a triangle, are vertices of a triangle ABC. If area of triangle is 35 square unit, find the values of K. ABC are 3 vertices of a triangle ABC, and given if area of triangle is 35 square unit, find the value of K. Find the values of K. One point to remember, if area of a triangle is given, we use for calculation positive value and negative value of the determinant. Positive and negative value of the determinant. After simplification, determinant value positive 35 or negative 35, we take as area is 35. For calculation, for finding the value of K, we use positive and negative values of the area unit. So here given area is equal to area delta is equal to x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Area is equal to half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. This value is equal to plus or minus 35, because for calculation we use a positive and a negative value of the area. Here half into x1 value 2, y1 value minus 6, x2 value 5, 4, k 4, 1, 1, 1 is equal to plus or minus 35. Cross multiplication, multiplying by 2, then result become determinant 2 minus 6, 1, 5, 4, 1, k 4, 1 is equal to 2 in plus or minus 35 into 2, 70. Expanding along C1. So 2 into deleting A11 is a positive, sign is positive. Delete the row and column containing the element 2. Then we get to 4, 1, 4, 1. Minus 6 into sign is A1 2th element. So negative sign. Deleting the row and column containing minus 6, we get 5, 1, k 1 plus next element first row. Last element 1 into sign positive 1, because 1 3th element, into deleting the row and column containing 1, 5 4, k 4 is equal to plus or minus 70. Then 2 positive 1, this is the 2 is the positive 1. Then 2 into 4 minus 4, 4 into 1 minus 4 into 4 0, minus into minus plus 6 into 5 into 1 minus k plus 1 into 1 1 into 20 minus 4k is equal to plus or minus 70. Then we get to 0 plus 30 minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k is equal to plus or minus 70. Then 30 plus 20 minus 6k minus 4k adding, then minus 10k plus 50 is equal to plus or minus 70. Then minus 10k is equal to plus 70. First we take plus 70, positive 50 minus negative 50, or minus 10k is equal to negative 70 minus 50. So we get a 2 result. Minus 10k is equal to 70 minus 50 is equal to 20, or minus 10k is equal to minus 70 minus 50 minus 120. So k is equal to 20 by minus 10 minus 2, k is equal to minus 120 by 10, 12. So values are k. 12 minus 2 is the answer. This is question. A, B, C are the A 2 minus 6, 5, 4, K 4 are the vertices of a triangle. If the area of triangle ABC is 35 square unit, find the value of K. Half into determined value is equal to plus or minus 35, cross multiplying plus or minus 70, expand, we get an equation minus 10K plus 50 is equal to plus 70 or minus 70. Splitting into 2, then 2 result will be given. So we next minor and cofactors of minor of an element in a determinant. Minor of an element in a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing minor of an element is the determinant. So we get a delta is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Minor of an element A11 is denoted by M11. Minor of element A11 is denoted by M1. M11 is the determinant. M11 is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing the element A11. That was the determinant A22, A23, A32, A33. This is the minor of an element. Minor of an element Aij is equal to denoted by Mij is the determinant obtained by deleting the ith row and jth column in which the Aij lies. For example, delta is equal to determinant 7, 8, 9, 3. Minor of 7 is equal to 7 lies in the A11. Delete the row and column containing 7 row and column containing 7. Delete the row, then we get a determinant 3. Minor of 9 is equal to deleting the row and column containing 7, then we get a determinant 8, that is equal to 8. So this is the minor of an element. Minor of an element Aij is denoted by Mij is the determinant. Minor of an element is the determinant obtained by deleting the ith row and jth row in which Aij, the element Aij lies. This is the definition for minor of an element. Cofactor of an element is next. Cofactor of an element Aij is noted by capital letter Aij is defined by Aij is equal to signed minus 1 raised to 1 plus minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. This is a definition for cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element Aij is noted by Aij and is defined by Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Minor of an element is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing that element. Cofactor of an element defined by Aij is equal to signed minor. Signed minor is the cofactor element. Minor is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing that element. Write minors and cofactors of the determinant determined 5, 7, 2, 4. Here A11, A12, this is the determinant of order 2 by 2. A11, A12, A21, A22. So minor of 5, first we find first element, minor of 5 is equal to 5 lies in the A11th element. So that is denoted by minor of A11 because the place value is A11 5, A11 7, A12 5, A12 7, A21 2, 4. Minor of 5 is equal to minor of A11. Minor of A1 is deleting the M11, deleting the row and column containing 5. So we get a determinant 1 is equal to 4. Minor of cofactor of 5 is equal to A11 is equal to signed, sign is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11, minor of 5. Minus 1, this is the place, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is a positive 1 into M11. We got to the value 4, that we get a 4. Minor of 7, that is equal to M12. Minor of 1, 2. Determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing 7. So we get a Deleting 5, 7 and 7, 4, we get 2 is equal to 2. Cofactor of 7 is equal to signed cofactor of 7 is equal to cofactor of A12. The sign is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 negative into M12. This is negative 1 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 negative 1 into minor value 2 is equal to minus 2. Again we find the minor of the element 2. This is the minor of 2, 1. Minor of 2, 1. This place is A2, 1. Minor of an element is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing 2. Cut the row containing 2, column containing 2. Then result is determinant 7, 7. Cofactor of 2 is equal to A2, 1 is equal to minus signed 2 plus 1 negative into M21. Sign is negative because minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 negative into M21 7. So answer is minus 7. Minor of last element 4. This is the place A22, M22. Determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing 4. 7 4 cut, 2 4 cut, then remainder 5 is equal to 5. Cofactor of 5 is equal to A5 is the place is 2 2, A2 2. Positive sign minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 positive into minor M22. That is equal to cofactor of 5 is equal to sign is positive. M22 is 5, positive 1 into 5, 5. These are the values. Write minors and cofactors of the determinant 5, 7, 2, 4. Yes. Assignment. Write minors and cofactors of the determinant minus 3, 7, 5, minus 6. Write the minors and cofactors of the determinant minus 3, 7, 5, minus 6. I stop here.